Every day, millions of people step into a bus without thinking about one simple question. How is this massive machine made? A bus is not just a vehicle, it is a moving building, a machine designed to carry lives, handle heavy weight, survive extreme weather, and run for years without stopping. From raw steel to a fully operational passenger bus, this is not magic. This is industrial engineering at its finest. Today, you are entering one of the most powerful manufacturing environments in the world, a bus manufacturing factory. This is the complete journey of how a bus is made. Every bus starts its life not in a factory, but on a computer screen, where engineers and designers create it using advanced CAD software. They decide the bus length and height, seating capacity, engine position, fuel type, whether diesel, CNG, hybrid, or electric, along with safety standards and passenger comfort. Virtual simulations test crash safety, weight distribution, suspension stress, and fuel efficiency. And only after months of testing does the design move to production. Now the factory wakes up as massive trucks deliver steel sheets, aluminum panels, pipes, rubber, glass, and wiring. Steel becomes the backbone of the bus, and heavy steel sheets are inspected for thickness, strength, and quality defects, because nothing moves forward unless it passes strict quality checks. This leads to the foundation of the bus, the chassis, built using thick steel beams, cross members, and reinforced joints. Robotic arms and skilled welders cut steel, bend it into shape, and weld it with extreme precision, creating a frame that must carry the engine, body, passengers, and luggage, where even a small mistake could mean disaster on the road. After welding, the chassis is heat-treated, stress-tested, and measured with laser tools. Now the bus gains its ability to move and stop as technicians install front and rear axles, air or leaf suspension, shock absorbers, and disc or drum brakes. Air suspension is carefully calibrated to provide a smooth ride, proper height, and perfect load balance, while brake systems are tested repeatedly because passenger safety depends on them. This brings us to the heart of the bus, the engine and transmission, where, depending on the model, a diesel engine, CNG engine, or hybrid or electric motor is mounted using heavy cranes and precision alignment tools, followed by the gearbox, drive shaft, and differential, all perfectly aligned to prevent vibration, fuel waste, or failure. Now the bus begins to look like a bus, as steel pipes and panels form the sidewalls, roof, and door frames, with robots and welders working together to create the tall body structure. Large windows are measured with millimeter accuracy because any mistake here can cause water leaks, noise, or a weak structure. Before the body is closed, the nervous system of the bus is installed, with thousands of wires laid for lighting, indicators, dashboard, sensors, CCTV, and GPS, while air lines for brakes and suspension, along with fuel lines, cooling pipes, and AC ducts are installed carefully, every wire labeled and every pipe tested. The skeleton then gets its skin as aluminum or composite exterior panels are attached, and the bus enters the painting chamber for surface cleaning, anti-rust coating, primer, and final paint applied evenly by robotic systems to protect the bus from rain, heat, and rust, with company branding added last. Now comfort comes in as flooring is installed, seats are mounted, handrails fixed, and ceiling panels added, while the driver cabin receives the steering wheel, digital dashboard, pedals and controls, and AC vents, speakers, and LED lights bring the interior to life. Before leaving the factory, every bus undergoes strict testing, including engine performance, brake testing, suspension movement, electrical system checks, and water leakage tests, followed by real driving on rough roads, slopes, and emergency braking tracks, because only perfect buses are allowed to pass. From raw metal to a powerful passenger machine, a bus is not just built, it is engineered, tested, and trusted. And the next time you board a bus, remember